Today in this video we will discuss 7 Facebook hidden feature you must use or 99% people not use. How to stop seeing political contents on your Facebook page. If you want to stop to see political content on your Facebook page, Facebook feed, then here are the process. Click on your profile icon from the top right corner and here click on settings and privacy. Thereafter choose settings or content preference. Click on content preference. What you see, political content, sensitive content, choose political content, and here you will find you can manage suggested content about things such as government, elections and social topics. This would not affect content from accounts that you follow. Suggest political content. If this is on, you may see political content from accounts that you don't follow. If it's off, you are not suggest political content when we recognize it. So if you want to stop birthday reminders on your Facebook, if you want to stop notification regarding birthday, you can easily stop it. Click on your profile icon from the top right corner and here choose settings and privacy. Again tap on settings. Thereafter from the left side of settings page, scroll down and click on notification. Scroll down and click on notifications. Thereafter go to right side and here what notifications you receive. Scroll down and click on birthdays. Click on it and here you will be asked, these are notifications about your friends' birthdays. Allow notifications on Facebook. Turn the toggle button off. Where you receive this notification, turn off all these notification, push, email and SMS. If you want to receive through email, then turn the toggle button on, otherwise receive, otherwise turn off the toggle button. You can easily stop birthday reminders about your friends on your Facebook page. Thereafter go to reminders and simply these are the notifications to remind you of updates you may have missed. Allow notifications on Facebook. Turn off also this message. How to stop other people from finding you on Facebook. If you want to hide yourself from other people on your Facebook page, then here are the process. Click on your profile icon from the top right corner and here choose settings and privacy. Click on it. Again choose settings or privacy center. Click on privacy center. Here scroll down and look for the option at the bottom of the page. Looking for more privacy settings, choose Facebook. Here how people can find and contact you page. Your friends who can send you friend requests. Here choose one by one who can send you friend request. Choose either friends of friends or everyone. Choose friends of friends to hide yourself from other people other than your friends and click on save. Who can see your friend list? Here choose public, only you. If you choose only me, then only you can see your friend request, friend list. Click on save. Some other option also available here. Choose as per your choice to restrict other people from seeing your friend list. Some other option also available. Who can Facebook suggest your profile? People with your email address or no one. Make the check against option no one. Your profile would not be suggested to people based on your email address. click on save. People with your phone number, click on it and choose no one. Click on save. By applying these methods, your profile will say privately, do you want to search engine outside Facebook to link to your profile? Turn the toggle button off to disable this feature. For friends of friends on Facebook, deliver request to, choose for friends of friends on Facebook, deliver request to chats, messages, don't receive requested. Select don't receive requests and choose save. So all your privacy settings will available here, and you can choose as per your choice. Don't receive requests, click on save, and some other function also available in this page, how people can find and contact you. How to save Facebook posts for later on Facebook. If you want to save your Facebook post to watch later, then here are the process. Go to any post which you want to save later and click on 3 horizontal dot against each, and here on the drop down menu you will find the option save video. Click on save video, and here a pop-up window will appear. Here you will find for later. Make the check against this option and click on done. Now your Facebook post is set as watch later, and click on it. Save to for folder, for later folder. If you want to see in which place the saved video is kept, so here you can see under my collection your for later video is found. You can easily save any video for later on your Facebook page. How to restrict friends from seeing posts on your Facebook page. You can easily restrict friends from seeing your posts. Go to your profile picture from the top right corner, and here choose your profile picture, and here scroll down and go to your friend list and select the friends which you want to restrict. Simply open it, and here click on friends option. Click on it, and here click on edit friend list. Here you will find two options, choose close friends or restricted. Choose restricted, and your Facebook friends restricted to seeing post from your page. How to transfer your Facebook photos and videos to other services such as Google Drive, Google Photos. You can easily transfer. Go to your profile icon from the top right corner and choose settings and privacy. Click on it. Here choose again settings. Click on settings. Thereafter from the scroll down and from the right side of menu scroll down and go to account center. Click on it. Here scroll down and choose your information and permissions. Click on it. Thereafter go to right side, your information and permission. To download or transfer a copy of your information, go to export your information. Choose export your information. Click on it. A pop-up window will appear, export your information. You can export a copy of your information to an external services or export it to your device. Available information includes content and info that you have shared, your activity and info that we collect. So choose create export. Here you have two options, export to device and export to external services. If you choose export to external services, then we can see here a list of external services will available. So choose, select the services that you want to use, then verify your account in the next step. This is the For external services, a list of external services available here. Google Calendar, Google Docs, Google Drive, Google Photos, WordPress, a list of external services available. If you want to choose export to device, then click on export to device, and here your device name available. Choose a date range, format, media quality, custom information. Under custom information, your Facebook activity. Make the check against each option. Send items and collections, voting, messaging. First clear all and choose as per your choice, as per your requirement, such as saved items and collections, messages, post. If you want to export post, then make the check against these options. So a list of options available. Choose as per your requirement, as per your choice. Reels, groups, reviews, Metaspar, and a list of section available here. The next section is live videos, AI, personal information. If you want to export your personal information, then make the check against all, otherwise choose clear all and choose as per your choice. And the next one is connections, friends, followers, supervision, logged information, recommendation, location, search, notification. Here other are security and login information. If you want to export all these services, then make them check against each, otherwise uncheck it. This is the customization of your export. You can export as per your choice, as per your requirement. And finally, click on save. Choose a date range from which date you want to export data. Last 3 years, all time. If you want to choose all time, then choose all time. Media quality, either choose higher quality, medium quality, or lower quality. Choose medium quality and click on save. And finally, choose a start export. For your security, please re-enter your password to continue. Choose continue. Enter your password and choose continue. So you can easily export your Facebook information, Facebook data to another services or your own services. On how to hide or unhide reactions on Facebook. If you want to hide your reactions in your Facebook page, then here are the process. Launch Facebook first and click on your profile icon from the top right corner, and here click on settings and security. If you are using Facebook app on your phone, then apply same process. Click on settings. Thereafter click on right side and here scroll down and go to the preferences section, and here you will find reaction preferences. Click on it. Thereafter go to right side, reaction preferences, hide number of reactions. On other people's posts and reels, you would not see the total number of reactions for posts and reels other people create. Turn the toggle button on or off for other people's post reactions. On your posts and feeds, other people would not see the total number of reactions for posts and reels you create from feed or your profile. So simply turn the toggle button on or off to hide or unhide reactions from other people's as well as yourself.